Angelo has spent over 50 years in Edmonton in the ornamental concrete business. His family has expanded that business across Canada with the Angelo Decor product line. From his humble beginnings making religious statuary, Angelo continued to hone his craft using traditional cast stone to make bird baths, planters, and statuary. The amazing selection at Angelo's 149th Street location includes some very large fountains, medium-sized fountains, something for every budget and every taste. We also have quite a bit of imported product that was made under the Angelo direction. Our Edmonton factory outlet location brings you great pricing, great selection, product knowledge, and service that can't be beat. We're open till 5 every day except Sunday and hope you'll come to see us.